Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Giles, and for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa di makaka-receive ng verification code or OTP during sa registration. So far, marami pong nag-reach out po sa atin tungkol sa application na kung saan supposed to be magbibigay ang Palfish app ng OTP upon registration. So, pinaka-importante po yun para makapag-create ng profile or account sa Palfish. So, this time, sasagutin ko po, disclaimer lang po, it is based on my own experience na rin. So, sa last time, I also experienced with that one when I changed my account because I deleted the first one. So, what I did was I used another email and I also used another cell phone number. So, the first time na nag-register ako is hindi siya nagbigay ng ng confirmation or yung OTP. And then yung ginawa ko is in-off ko yung cellphone ko and then in-off ko rin yung wifi at saka ulit ako nag-try. And my second try was not yet successful again. So, I decided na stop muna. So, parang a couple of minutes na nag-stop ako and then nag-try ulit ako until na naka-receive ako ng OTP. So, yun yung mga ginawa ko sa account ko para ma-receive ko yung OTP. But, so far, sa mga natanungan ko ng mga Palfish teachers na meron din silang mga invitees or mga invites na hindi talaga nakapag-receive. Ginawa na nila yung same sa ginawa ko. So, so far, wala pang reply yung admin kung ano yung posible at kailangan gawin. Pero, wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa kasi marami talagang nakaka-experience ng ganyan. So, patuloy lang po tayo. Let us pray for the best kasi hindi naman natin control ang ganitong klase ng issue. So, kailangan natin na maging positive pa rin. Maybe tomorrow is your big shot na. So, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys continue to support my YouTube channel. Thank you, and if ever na may mga updates, gagawan ko pa rin yun ng mga reviews and videos also dito sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you guys and see you next time. Have a good night, have a good day, and God bless us all.